7 apple tea health benefits you should know. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 apple tea health benefits that will help you live a longer life. So if you're ready, let's go. If you like apples, you'll love apple tea. And if you never tried apple tea before, you're in for a big surprise. You see, over the last decade, apple tea has soared in popularity. It's rated in the top 5 health and herbal teas in the world. Apple tea provides physical health benefits due to its unique chemistry. Red apples contain high concentrations of antioxidants that are good for your overall health. And here are 7 apple tea health benefits that I bet you didn't know about. Number 1, naturally helps reduce aging. Apples are high in potassium and vitamin C, which aid in the reduction of wrinkles and slow down the aging process. The antioxidants slow down premature aging by rejuvenating the skin and increasing collagen production, which improves the skin's appearance. Number 2, helps prevent cancer. Apples are rich in cancer-fighting antioxidant flavonoids and flavonols. Flavonols prevent cancer by hindering the growth of cancerous cells and slowing down tumor growth. Colon, breast, and prostate cancers have been found to decline in studies when drinking apple tea. Number 3, fights inflammation. The insoluble fibers in apple tea help reduce uric acid levels in your body. Uric acid is a compound that causes inflammation of the joints. By helping your body flush out uric acid, you're helping to reduce inflammation and pain of the joints. Number 4, aids in weight loss. Drinking apple tea will help to flush out toxins and excess water from your body, which will help aid in weight loss naturally. By burning fat quicker rather than storing it in the body and making you gain weight even faster. This is all due to dietary fiber that helps improve your gastrointestinal system. Number 5, helps to reduce cholesterol. Apple fiber lowers cholesterol naturally by sweeping it away through the lymphatic system, which reduces your risk of heart disease and stroke. Apple fiber also helps to improve the elasticity of blood vessels and reduces blood pressure at the same time. Number 6, promotes good eye health. These antioxidants also support eye health by reducing dry eyes and night blindness. Apple tea also prevents macular degeneration and cataracts by improving blood circulation and reducing inflammation in the eyes. This is vital to good eye health because the eyes rely on good blood circulation to receive nutrients. And number 7, helps regulate constipation. The dietary fiber in apples alone increases bulk in the digestive system and improves overall gut health. The insoluble fiber loosens stool and helps to prevent it from hardening in the colon. This is extremely important for good colon and digestive health because it helps prevent colon cancer and constipation naturally while providing a cleansing effect. Now, I know what you're wondering. How do I make apple tea? Here's a list of what you'll need. Number 1, 3.5 ounces of dehydrated apple. 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 to 3 cloves, 2.5 quarts of water, and some honey for taste. Simply add the ingredients to a small pot or saucepan, then add your 2.5 quarts of water. Set it to medium-high to high heat and slowly bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, cover it with a lid and slow boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you stir it and let the mixture thicken a little bit, then strain it out with a strainer so all the pieces are kept out. Note, if your apple tea gets too thick, you can always add some water to it after you strain it, so don't panic. Then of course, add some honey to taste and enjoy drinking your apple tea. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 7 apple tea health benefits. Also, in the description and or the pinned comment, click the link if you haven't already. Head on over to the blog and get your free A to Z complete home remedy guide with over 2,000 plus homemade and natural remedies It's 100% free, and I know you're going to love it. So if you like today's video, please give it a like and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us keep the lights on. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am releasing videos weekly. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care, and God bless.